Hello, myself Subrat Sarangi. I am age of 60 from Bhubaneswar. I am a retired professor of physics. Um Today I attended this workshop just to see how AI can help me develop in my profession, my job. I am looking forward to after retirement to develop various educational YouTube videos on different topics of physics and hopefully put them up in YouTube so that my students can view it and get help from this. Uh, Today's workshop was really good. 10 out of 10 I would give. Some of these tools, for example Perplexity, Udly, I think they will be very useful in my work. Maybe some other apps also will be useful that will help me. If I am if the recording of today's workshop is available, I will go through that once again or a few more times and see which other tools can be used for this job. Therefore, I request that this recording of this video be made available to me. Thank you very much.